Oh, no, that's Katie. Oh, I'm not playing. Yeah, you are. One more time.
We need Andy here.
You're gonna lose, you'll be alright.
Usually wins every
Marie,
time.
are you honestly going to say on videotape that you're going to turn down on videotape a game of on videotape 99?
What's one more here?
Look, here's your close-up.
I'm in. Jacket with the shell and the pants, it would have cost me $800.
I want it good.
Thank you, Marie. Nice, Marie. What's the score? Score's 9-4.
9-4.
Shut up!
I'm scared, people. Truly scared.
The